Kaya di nakapasok sa mga sadyan ganun.
We're going to the park. Pupunta tayo sa park.
Going to park.
I do not know where the park is, but it's a park.
Magtagalog
This,
ka.
ato si Prince. Mag-hi ka sa vlog.
Tatapon na steam.
Tagalog din mo. Paano pa kaya pag yung mga iba nakapanood yan? Tapos hindi nila alam yung Tagalog mo. English mo. Meron pa sila. Napanood ko yung isang mong video.
Saan? Sa YouTube?
Hindi yung nag-video ka agad na nakamotor.
Hindi ko oh. I guess the park is dead. I don't know, I never been there. But it's probably somewhere close.
Ate naman, shot ka. O, sana?
Dito ka.
Well,
Madapa ka, madapa.
probably somewhere close.
Wag mo kunin, mabibitawan mo yun.
Yun. Mamaya. Doon. Mamaya.
Mamaya lalaglag yun sa ilig eh.
Iwan si Mabi.
That is one big tree.
Mami, yung kinuha.
I could imagine zombie monkeys in this village or town.
Nakahubad ka na.
Taas mo nga, please.
The zombies that would be here are
Wait lang.
swimming zombies in a lake that are camouflaged. Mudman, you know? Like Left 4 Dead. Zombie dogs, zombie monkeys, zombie flies, zombie cops, zombie...
Papunta lang
Yun,
tayo ng park. Tapos, ano na mga sinasabi mo? Zombie.
I guess the park is here.
Meron naglalaro, oh.
It's a pretty nice park. And a pretty cool entrance. And pretty goddamn many trees.
Alala ko yung tumakbo
Huh,
dito.
lunch tables. If you live nearby here, it's pretty good to stay out here. Then, I don't know if my phone fall. Now looky here.
Hindi na ito. Mahulog ako.
This is a
Kain mo na lang to ice cream.
nice place to swim, I guess.
Kaya nga mo na ice cream.
Lulusot ba?
What
Hindi
if the
naman
water
natin
was
yun.
blue?
Wag, lalaglag.
I think
Kain na lang ice cream.
they're building something there.
Oh, kainin mo muna yan.
A small waterfall,
Papasok ko.
like a pond, you know. My guess is, no. Well, I actually have no guess.
Wag doon.
Well,
Wag doon. Oh.
wait, I think I see a house. Yeah, that's a house. Well, I guess this is a nice spot to swim. Maybe wait till the water is clean, and maybe wait for many people. But I recommend the Bukan. Oh, fishing! People are fishing there. See? People are fishing. Or swimming. Or getting water. Because in my town, every day we have no water. But luckily we have a river. Yeah. There are many type of trees I see. I see some bamboo. Well, we're going away now. I don't know what kind of trees are these, but they are trees. Oh, a pot. Where does this lead to?
Hindi ka na akyat.
I think that leads to the exit.
Diyan ka lang. Magbibideo lang kami ni Kuya Kaykay.
Prince, Huwag mo sabihin sa kanila saan to papunta. Kasi hindi ko din alam saan papunta.
Ako alam ko.
Well, look! Tables and hangout places. Help!
Yan, sige, diretso ka.
This lead to. Tsaka ano naman? Well, we can get a better view of the lake here.
Alam, may nangingis daw.
Ayun nga, pinakita ko nga sa kanila.
Naglambat.
The pond.
Laking lambat yan.
Bad thing is that my camera has bad quality. So it looks ugly, but in reality it's very beautiful. Oh look, flowers. I think. That there is a jungle with many bamboos. My guess, many. No, ligo.
Uy, malaglaga dyan, Prince. Huwag ka dyan, huwag ka dyan.
Pwede ba dyan maligo?
Walang daan nun eh.
Meron po daan.
Ligo tao?
Dyan yung daan? Saan dyan? Ayan.
What kind of trees are those? It looks like a patch, you know.
Sobrang pababa.
That, to there, to there, to that. Reminds me of a game I played on Roblox. The Vietnamese War. Trees are like that.
Kanina ka, tignan natin.
Trees were like that, you know. Yes, I played many war role play games as a kid when I was younger. Now I forgot the names. They were so peak. One time,
Huwag maingay, bawal ingay.
a role play game for war
Bawal maingay.
on the beach. Normally, I think there were Japanese and Americans.
Ayun eh.
It was a big game, but I for got the name of the game. Perfect for a zombie, you know. This place is perfect for a zombie movie. Maybe a Left 4 Dead movie for the swamp chapter. You know, swamp fever. Oh, fleek. Gold. It's like, oh, it's cleaning the dirt. I guess it's clean. Just looks brown and very polluted.
Tinitig na talaga.
It's a pretty good place,
Bawal ka
I
dyan.
guess. If you're gonna make a Left 4 Dead movie and you're Filipino
Madulas.
or Tagalog
O, dito ka
and
na.
you live here, I guess this is a pretty good place for swamp
Mapipicture
fever.
din nila kuya kay mami.
Just as long as you get permission.
Hanap ka kay daddy.
Harap ka sa akin. Dun. Okay, camera.
Kay, lapit ka dun sa kanila kay. 1, 2, 3. Bobby. Sapay, sapay. Kita nyo lagi. Smile. Okay na, okay na.
This is a good place for a Bigfoot sighting. You can just do edit, place Bigfoot right there. God damn it, focus your camera. Oh damn it. Up there. Just do the
Hey.
pose.
Basa ka rin ng pao.
Ay, madulas. Madulas ka. Baka madulas ka. Diyan lang sa bungad. Madulas, malumot eh.
Oh damn, it's cold.
Lamig.
Well, now my feet is wet, and I felt pretty swell. Pretty goddamn swell. Oh, kind of deep water.
Sarap na.
Slippery.
Taba
Oo nga eh, masarap. Oh, you see the like water effect? Look, look, look.
Ano?
It's gonna like go, waves. See? Waves.
Bye-bye.
Now we're gonna go back home. I guess.
Oo, maglatas pa.
Bye-bye.
Nakikit kuya.
Bye-bye.
Kain,
Huwag
titin
yan, huwag
tayo.
yan.
May kiraan lang po.
Marami dyan.
Salamat po. Una ka kayo.
Now
O,
this is
dahan-dahan ka. Basta yung paa mo. Badulas ka dyan. O, hawak.
two.
Straight mo yung body mo kasi kayo hindi na kayo. Yan. Tapos dire-diretso lakad.
I might
Yan.
die
Galing
while climbing on this or not.
Paalam naman yan eh.
It is disrespectful, I think, to step
Opo, dito tayo.
on roots of trees. For me, oh,
Dahan-dahan ka. Dasa pa mo.
Mambol. Mambol, uwi na tayo. Mulan.
Uwi na.
Uwi na tayo, mulan. Nakikita ko na yung kay kuya.
I got to sit for a second.
Ate naman, tutuloy-tuloy ako. Eh. Bye-bye. Kay, bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, lake.
Basta mo no.
Sakit po na.
Una na ako ah.